Mortgage rates are starting to come down and lots of people are talking about refinancing as a way of saving money on interest. But what if I told you there was a way to save tens of thousands of dollars on interest without refinancing or in addition to your refinance? Well, with the real life example of my very own mortgage, that's what we're going to talk about today. My name is Phil Wells. I'm a local real estate agent serving clients in Coeur d'Alene and Spokane. And I like to help my clients win at all things real estate. Of course, none of this is financial advice. Go and seek out licensed financial advice if you have questions. Let's get into it. The bi-weekly mortgage payment. This is an extremely simple thing to do. All you're going to do is log on to your mortgage services website and change your payments from monthly to bi-weekly. There you go, you just saved tens of thousands of dollars and likely took years off your mortgage. That means you're going to own your home sooner and have tens of thousands of dollars available just because you watched a video that's only a few minutes long. But how can this be? You've only gone from paying a $2,000 mortgage once a month to paying a $2,000 mortgage $1,000 at a time every 2 weeks, right? How does that make a difference? Well, this is my actual mortgage for a rental property that I own. To show you how changing to bi-weekly mortgage payments impacts your overall loan. I'm going to navigate to the amortization calculator that gives you a great visual illustration. As you can see, the default is for a monthly payment, and it says that I'm going to pay off my loan in March 2050, and I'm going to save $0 on interest by paying it on a monthly basis. But watch this. I change my payments to bi-weekly and suddenly I'm saving $43,000 in interest over the life of my loan, and I'm paying that loan off 4 years earlier. And it costs me nothing to do this. If you've never heard of this, that's for a reason. Mortgage servicers don't want you to save money on interest. After all, that's their profit. Why would they want you to save money? But it's legal and readily available. You can request bi-weekly mortgage payments today. Now, I have heard of some lenders giving people a hard time, not allowing this, or charging a fee in order to pay your mortgage bi-weekly. So it's not fair to say that it's available for everyone and it's free for everyone, but it's something you should absolutely investigate and ask your loan servicer the question, because the savings are potentially huge. So what's happening behind the scenes to actually trigger this saving? After all, you're paying the same amount each month. The same amount of money is leaving your bank account, just $1,000 every 2 weeks rather than $2,000 every month. So how are you saving on interest and shortening your loan? Well, this article by Investopedia sums it up perfectly. Essentially, due to the inconsistent nature of our calendar and the fact that there aren't 28 days in each month, your bi-weekly mortgage payments every 2 weeks add up to 26 payments a year. 26 divided by 2 is 13. We effectively have 13 monthly payments being paid in a 12-month period. That extra mortgage payment, that 13th mortgage payment, gets applied fully as principal, and that's what's saving on your interest. Pretty cool, right? Remember too that the sooner you implement this change, the more money you will save. Mortgages are fully amortized. What that means is that your first mortgage payment is made up primarily of interest. Over the time, the amount of interest you're paying will go down and the amount of principal you're paying will go up, so that your last mortgage in 30 years' time will be primarily principal with only a small amount of interest. So the more interest you can get out the way up front, the more you're going to save, and the more effective these bi-weekly mortgage payments are going to be for you. That's it for this video. Really quick video, but it's very important. Drop a comment and let me know how much this video saved you. Also, let me know if you ran into any issues with your loan servicer. What were they going to charge you for bi-weekly mortgage payments, and who doesn't allow bi-weekly mortgage payments? Like I said, my name is Phil Wells. If you're looking at purchasing or selling real estate in the Spokane or Coeur d'Alene area, please reach out to me. My details are in the description to this video. Until the next one, thank you for watching.